Stacey Ndiwa.
Fururi ukorirwo ukimathira ngoga ya mbere ya fedha miaraho ya umuthi kuhitukira hari mutengeri wa gikiro kia biraru Stacey Ndiwa.
And it's the Ugandan Stella Chesang trying to take this out. They take the bell in the final of the women's.
Stacey Ndiwa arikirie ari wa kere thutha wa Muganda Stella Chesang uria umathire ngoga ya dhahabu ihenya-ini ria mita 10,000.
A brilliant performance from Marceline Chelagat.
Nake Marceline Chelagat wa kuma bũrũri wa Uganda ahotana ngoga ya bronze agitiriha ari wa gatatu.
Ndiwa with that runner-up finish. All credit to Sullivan.
Hau gabere nyirari cia Kenya ihenya-ini ria mita 1,500 Mary Wangari Kuria na njorua ya kahinda karaya ihenya-ini riri Beatrice Chepkoech ni makorirwo makigwatira tigiti wa ikireka ria finals muthenya wa rucio ihenya-ini riri. Ukinyeria riu bũrũri uri na ngoga ithatu muthenya wa ira Samuel Gathimba wa ihenya ria walk na Edward Zakayo wa ihenya ria mita 5,000 makimatha ngoga cia bronze.
The men's 400 meters relatively even through the first 60 meters as they come into the back straight for the first time. Lepage is the athlete who is looking.
Tugathie na mbere na kwendithiria bũrũri uhotani handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV riakwa ni Mugure wa Karuiru.
Good run coming from Gilbert Koech of Kenya in second.